Guys, I found a perfect gift that saved my family's sanity. Have you ever been watching a movie or a good game, or someone keeps talking loudly or asking you questions? I'm just trying to watch my show. I gotta tell you about the best gift ever. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Daires of DIY Power Couple. I received this headset as a birthday gift from my wife, and I really enjoy the benefits of this wireless technology. The headphones are lightweight and comfortable with several padded areas that support our heads. So for my television, the first thing I did was attach the auxiliary cable to the RCA adapter. Then I made sure that it was on auxiliary. And then I connected the auxiliary cable to the transmitter. Then I connected the RCA adapter to the television audio out. What's nice is that I can still hear when I walk away from the transmitter up to 100 feet away. I can still hear it in the kitchen when I'm getting a snack. When it comes to family movie night, we all like different features. It comes with 2 headsets, and I liked it so much that I got one for my mother-in-law. My mother-in-law likes the volume control so she can adjust the volume just a little bit higher. Even though we have a great relationship, she's the main one asking questions when we're watching our movies. My wife likes the noise cancellation because she doesn't want to be distracted on the good parts of her favorite show. And I like the stereo feature for my action movies. To give you some perspective, Aventree Duet headsets come prepared with a transmitter. That means they eliminate the need for manual pairing. It also offers crystal clear sound without disturbing others in the house. The battery life provides up to 35 hours of playtime on a single charge. We like how the Duet comes with a transmitter base that connects to the TV. It has quick charging that fully recharges in approximately 1.5 hours when placed on the transmitter's charging dock. I like how Aventree thought about the headset's comfort design, which features 40mm drivers and extra deep ear pads for enhanced comfort during extended use. If you like options like we do, you can use it in either mono or stereo mode depending on your preference. The nice thing is that it has a mute functionality for temporary audio silencing. Just press and hold the play button for 2 seconds to enable or disable the mute function. In case you were wondering about the transmitter features, it has a dual functionality that serves as both wireless transmitter and a charging dock for the headphones. The transmitter also has multiple audio inputs that support auxiliary, optical, and RCA inputs, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of TVs and audio systems. And if you're into lighting, the transmitter is equipped with LED indicators that display power, the status, pairing mode, and volume boost activation. And we all like that this unit is capable of pairing up to 100 compatible headphones. This is great for group get-togethers, or you can take some time to yourself and enjoy your favorite movie. This one gift leveled up our home entertainment, and it can do the same for you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and share with family and friends because you know someone who needs it.